Commandments, wow. Man can't tell me nothing about this coke. Can't tell me nothing about this crack, this weed.
What up, YouTube? Today is shipping day. We're getting ready to drop everything off to Lee's, the mechanic. You know, we're getting everything back on track, getting ready to move it out. So follow me while we move all this stuff out of here. We got everything loaded on our way to this drop off. Stay with me. Hot on my leg. Ready for me, bro?
Yeah, I just got back last night, so it's like I've been in the garage for like 10 minutes.
Oh, that sounds good. Man, all this stuff in the front room, man. Woo. Just let me know where you like it in.
We're probably gonna have to just stack it up outside, and then I can bring it in.
All right. You set it right over here. I was able to get everything but the starter. Advance didn't have the starter, so I had to order it off Summit. So I'm still waiting on that. Other than that, everything else checked off. So you just heard my G. We're just getting back, so you know, we're just getting everything assembled for him, set up for him, and everything. I'll set this on this. Let me open it up.
Transmission.
Yeah. I'm gonna bring it in. We're getting everything set up for him. He's just getting back, so I don't want him to be overwhelmed. We gotta send this back. Forgot about that. So this gotta stay because we gotta send this back. Put this in the middle of the floor. I'm glad I caught that. Sent me the wrong one. It's supposed to send me an Oldsmobile one. They sent a 10-inch, which it don't matter whether I got a 10 or a bigger one, does it? Or what? On an air cleaner?
Pick what size you want for real.
Okay, no, it's just they supposed to have Oldsmobile on it, and they didn't send that one. That's the one I paid for. Yeah, it's just straight chrome. But yeah, they already got the other one and they're sending it back out. They shipped me somebody else's order, supposedly. Allegedly. So I'm gonna try to rap with him for a second.
The next day.
Push it out here in the middle, pull this motor up out there and get on the motor stand. And have to pressure wash this. Hey, you wanna pause that music? I know YouTube be having a problem. Copyright issues. Music in the background.
Hey, you said you thought about it. I sure forgot about it. I wasn't saying, what's going on, man? What's going on, man?
Grab that yellow impact.
See, you dropped yesterday, man. Or was that today?
So what?
When you dropped?
Drop what?
You went to a show, car show? Oh yeah, you dropped it.
I was out of town.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah, my homeboy, he be adding the footage on our YouTube page. What happened was there was a biker club. That's my brother-in-law shit. They wanted us to add some cars in, so we was just trying to bring some cars in.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Trying to get some shit popping with, like local.
The same thing that I promote on mine. I'm gonna mess my YouTube, man.
Yeah.
We've been working on other people's cars so much we ain't got no car to take me.
Yeah, that's crazy, yeah.
Yeah. See me out here getting with Ride Clean today, man. Come check out the Delta. You know, see what they
This
got
the
going
other
on.
half of Ride Clean, y'all.
Oh yeah, okay.
And I be in the cut, you know what I'm saying? We don't get it popping though. Won't look like this when you get it. We just dropped another motor last night.
Oh yeah.
Woke up and pulled another motor.
Man, getting to it.
Every day. 7 days a week.
I sent them to you, get them.
That's crazy.
Yeah, because he probably would take the old one and give you some money off the new one.
Yeah. You see what's up when you go.
Rebuild that one and resell it.
I send it to him later on tonight or
You
something.
can actually take the carburetor with you so if you meet up with him.
Meet up with him to get it.
Yeah.
All right, I'll do that.
Get it before we forget though.
I heard you getting that suspension package too, man.
Yeah, I'm trying to, man. I'm looking at it. I don't just want to bother with too much, man. But this motor is what's most important. Then we'll get to that suspension, man, and see what it's rocking with. But yeah, I don't want to overwhelm him with too much on his mind. This right here. Well, I've been working on this thing about 8 years, man. And finding him, finding y'all, man. I'm finally finna get this thing right. He should be.
Set it right here for now until you ready to roll.
Yeah. What size is this one, you say?
Yeah, that's probably a 625 or something.
Okay. So either go between 625, 650, because he had a couple 650s on there. He didn't have no 625s.
Ask him directly.
Yeah.
If he don't have a 625, you can do a 650.
That motherfucker still is fine. Clean that
You probably
motherfucker.
need to be cleaning and just going through.
Mess with that.
Yeah, we ain't.
Yeah.
After all the stuff you got to do and the money you got
Yeah.
to spend,
Yeah.
couple
Just
extra
it.
$100 more.
Yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm like.
Nobody got time for that. Yeah, I showed you that one I just bought from my wedding. And I had a carburetor, but I ain't about to play with that. Yeah.
Watch out for the
Plate on here.
Lee, man, I drove it back from Omaha. It was going, doing everything. I was just getting it going through and a whole nother messed up situation, man. But so I just been letting it sit until I just keep it together. Just add my parts, add everything, just keep everything together, man, piece by piece. And now I'm finally really taking off. But this is the biggest movement in 8 years, man.
We're gonna get it together.
Yeah.
Get that motherfucker fired up, see what it do.
Oh yeah.
Slap some paint on it, man.
Oh yeah.
One thing at a time.
Yeah.
It ain't going nowhere. You keeping the car, right?
Yep. Oh yeah, man. Yeah.
If it's your car, you can do it how you want to.
Yeah, I had some things. Was a couple months, man. So it's kind of like our thing, but teaching him about cars and everything like that.
Mm-hmm. What's up?
Yeah. What you got? Your old school. What's your old school?
I got a couple of them.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm on some other shit.
And some Chevy. You got the boxes. You got
Nah, I ain't got no box no more. I had one. We had a whole bunch of them, but we be selling cars too.
Yeah,
though.
I know.
So it's
I
like-
already know. Yeah.
So I don't really like count them. You kind of just run through them shit, you know what I'm saying? But my personal car, I got a drop top. I got a 6.9 Cougar. I got a 6.8 hardtop Cougar. I got an 84 Buick Saber,
2-door?
4-door.
4-door? Yeah.
I got a 2-door too though.
Oh, yeah.
I just bought a collector's
Yeah.
2-doors.
Yeah. I can't have too many right now, man. Wait till I get me a little piece of land, then I. Like I said, I can't have no more toys. I'm out of room to keep them.
Mm-hmm.
So like I'm just everything focused on this right now because I ain't even messing with the Escalade right now.
Nah, it'd be hard playing with these cars and you working and stuff.
Fact.
That shit expensive, but
I'm gonna pause it for a minute. Get ready. Get this thing dropped.
The fuck out my motherfucking truck. It's some reasons why I have to get.
it's gonna impact my life 5 years from now if I don't fuck him up. And no, it won't.
Man.
But will it impact your life 5 years from now if you do something?
Oh yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah. But nah.
Let it go.
Man, I just keep going forward, man. Like I said, you tell me everything I need or what's missing, I just go get it, man. That's all I can do.
Like this house. You need the breather hole. Some of those aftermarket ones like that don't have it.
It's just
right here.
Oh, just that one.
They come out all in one. A heater cord. Kind of easy to replace while you're right there, and them mugs is like $30.
I got you, man.
But even on my wagon, I know my heater cord was good when I parked it, but I'm putting that new motor in. I'm replacing all of that. I ain't got and then the AC compressor.
The compressor.
Itself, this is the one that's in the truck.
Oh yeah.
这是相当于
Yeah.
Lines and none of that shit back there. I think I might have the AC lines in my car. I just hope I didn't paint my shit gold or something. A lot of my stuff was gold.
That's kind of what the theme was. On that one, going with that, it was that kind of serious gold, but on this one.
Compressor, the AC compressor?
Yeah. It ain't gonna be with something. Where it's gonna be.
It might be a shit. They probably be high. Like Rock Auto, carparts.com, parts. If you Google it, one of them sites will come up. Just go into it and make sure it's for the 85, no, 88. It saved probably about $50 or $60 from the auto store. If you got time to wait on it to come in, which we do.
The compressor still ain't, condenser's still gonna be here to about a couple weeks or so. Whatever you're gonna do with that.
I have to take this exhaust completely out of here.
Yeah, those things.
But I might have one. We'd do that if I don't have one. But the 4-speed, this one is longer than your 350. So that means the drive shaft is going to be shorter. So now that you got a shorter transmission, you need a longer drive shaft.
Here. So you know that 3 phones and then that one right there.
What were they doing?
So is that one?
And then on this side.
I think we was gonna go LS.
On this side it should.
I don't know.
Yeah, we'll have three things coming out.
We don't need none of that stuff.
It don't matter which way they point. Some of them point straight.
Let me get one of them MSDs for a 455 Oldsmobile. He came back and said like 970 something. I said, woo! I pulled out my little debit card like,
Even with Chevy,
I'm expecting to spend
even with Chevy,
$600.
it's like 550.
Yeah, it's like
But O's always gonna be higher though.
Always, man. Always, dude.
And 550 is the cheapest I found it. It's really like
600.
yeah, some shit like that.
Yeah.
But that's all. But that's nothing big. You can come back later. We can put that in.
Mhm.
That's, yeah, we
That's
can.
why I was asking about it now, because like I know that this system is fairly new, so it should get the spark that it needs to go on.
Yeah, stuff like
Dude.
that is like a lifetime purchase if you mess with cars like this. Because your whole motor could go out and you still got another motor that's just transferred right on over. Your intake that you buy, your carburetor that you buy, your headers. As long as you stick with O's, you can always just throw all your shit.
All your shit on your new motor.
From a 352 or 455 or
No.
something bigger? Or you gotta go
A lot of the parts
different?
interchange, but on the from the big blocks to the
Yeah.
small blocks, some of them don't.
Yeah.
Like your headers and your intake, they don't work.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little off. So you would have to stay small block.
So how is it that 450
valve
run with the
cover.
350 transmission on it? I've seen the cat do that. That's possible?
Yeah, because they just all got the same bell house.
Mm-hmm.
We didn't know how to put any transmission to anything. It
I
doesn't matter.
definitely was going on from that. I mean, it wasn't bad. It did what it needed to do, but I'm already in it, man. And I just want everything. Because that's how I started with that. With him doing that, I'm like, fuck it, man. You already in my block. Just fucking do everything. So I was right there with him as he was doing it. It's just all this little petty stuff he's messing with, doing that, and
But this the motor you had in when it started tripping?
it wasn't never tripping. It was just I had an exhaust leak. It needed a tune up, and then it had just a busted spring, and you could hear it ticking.
Did they have a cam in it or something?
No, I redid the cam. I bought the cam to get in, put in there.
So
it
when
wasn't
you
cam
redid it,
before.
you added a cam.
Mm-hmm.
So
I
you got a
redid it.
cam now?
Yeah, I got a cam now. Stage 2. Yeah.
Okay. So it ain't even the old shit that fucked up.
No, this block got busted all the way down, man. Only thing on here original is the heads and the crank.
Okay.
Everything else been done. And the water pump, but I got a new water pump now on that. All that. So ain't nothing coming back right now but the block, the crank, this intake, and the heads that y'all finna do. Everything else,
And
we did it again.
we got the water pump for 85 Del, right?
I believe so. I believe so.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, I believe so.
I'll check the part now
Yeah.
just to make sure before
Yeah.
I put gaskets so we're all on it. and all that shit.
Like, valve covers on it. So like it's your discretion, man.
I
ain't-
think it'll look good with just the
just the
the
gold
gold
head.
head.
Yeah, just something mix it up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, from what it was. Yeah, this is cool.
Yeah, you can get your
Appreciate it,
footage.
man. Yeah. See y'all, man. Check y'all out.
All right, still black man.
Man, y'all too, man. Let y'all get to it, man. Appreciate you letting me come get some content with you.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, and I appreciate it, Lee, man. I get with you.
All right. Yep. I'll let you know when I do something where it'll be worth coming through to get your footage.
All right, man.
All right.
Yep.